Hey, Sushikins. I have a note. Shout out to my embassy because it says my mom gave us to her at her walk. And it just says empty. Food with you? It's kind of like this zucchini bread, guys. So this bun cake. So let me is a request from a Bessie. So shout out to her. That's Daisy Sacco was my reaction on my food. Alright, you get this. Put it in the middle. Alright. Zucchini bread. Wow. But actually, oh, that's cool. Oh, that is interesting. Oh, that's not bad. That's not bad, Bessie. But you're a good cook, by the way. So thank you to watch this video, guys. This might kind of a breakfast thing because later of the night is dinner review. So yes, and Bessie knows zucchini bread. I give that a 9 or 10. I like that. So I'm signing off here, guys. And Bessie, thank you to send the zucchini bread. It's so good. If you have any requests, send them my way. So thank you so much. Please smash that like button. Leave a comment below in the comment section. Smash that subscribe button and smash the notification bell to see all those I have. And please go. Any website about sponsor me on my YouTube channel. And if you have a new YouTube channel, or you a new YouTube channel, go to my Instagram or Twitter or Facebook. The link is in the description. So smash that subscribe button because that will continue to do it. And smash that subscribe button. And please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Instagram. I got 2 words for you. Sushi, yeah!